Hi everyone, I wanted to record a short video to describe my meal planning subscription in a little bit more detail for you. So you have two options. The first option is very straightforward. You would receive a PDF every Friday and you would be getting a menu plan, breakfast, snack, lunch, snack, and dinner. You would receive all the recipes for the meals and the snacks, as well as a shopping list. The second option is why I wanted to do this recording. It's more interactive, so I wanted you to be able to see exactly what you can do with the interactive option. So instead of getting a PDF, you would be receiving a link. So you would click on the link, and you'll see for this specific menu plan, I'm recommending a mixed berry protein porridge for Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. And you're thinking, well, on Wednesday, I want to try something else other than the porridge. So you have the option to click the three dots and swap this recipe. It's going to ask you, are you sure? This action cannot be undone. You have the option to swap just that one recipe or swap all. And when they say swap all, it means all the mixed berry protein porridges. So for this example, I'm just going to swap that one day. And now it's a soba breakfast bowl. You're thinking, okay, I definitely want to try that, but I don't want to do it on a Wednesday. I want to do it on a weekend. So I am going to swap this out again. Mango mint smoothie. And you think that fits perfectly with your time constraints on a Wednesday morning. So you can do that with any of these. Any of these you can swap out. You'll have two, maybe three swaps. I can't give you unlimited swaps because I have built in parameters to each week, meaning caloric intake, macro breakdown, whether I'm focusing on heart health or anti-inflammatory that month. So unlimited recipes wouldn't fit into the parameters that I am using. Okay. You can see the recipe details. You can click on that and you'll go down. You'll get the directions. Obviously, this is very simple because it's a smoothie. The ingredients. You can change the servings if you're making it for more than just yourself. You can increase this all the way to 24 servings. And you can see the nutrition breakdown as well here. Okay. Let's go back up. All right, what else can you do? You can toggle as a leftover. This isn't something you have to click on, but if I clicked on it, you'll see this gets bright. The bright ones mean that it's not a leftover, and the shaded one means that it is a leftover. I do this when I'm creating the menu, but it doesn't change anything. Okay, we spoke about swapping the recipes, and you also can remove from the plan completely. So if I click this, yes, we are sure, but it cannot be undone. You have to be positive that you want to remove the dish because you will lose it forever. Okay? Forever. Where will it go? So the mango mint smoothie is no longer here. You can't get it back. Okay? So the only way you could get it back is if, for example, a mango mint smoothie was here or anywhere else on the menu, you could search for it and it would pop back up. So you can put a clementine here. You could put the snow peas and almonds here. You could put anything here. But if it's not already on the menu, it is gone. So I wouldn't recommend removing something unless you are 100% positive that you will never want to eat that recipe, that meal. Okay. Now, let's go down here. So for the dinners, you'll see that every week I'm giving you a new dinner, okay? There's no leftovers for dinner, but I do give you leftovers for lunches, and that's just because it's how I personally live. And if you don't like that, that's absolutely fine. I just do it because I don't want to create another meal for lunch. I just want to have the leftovers from the dinner the night before, but you can absolutely swap it out. And you're getting spinach chickpea pasta salad. That sounds good to you. I just like to toggle over it when it's not a leftover, and you'll have that for lunch. And you could put it in here. You could, if you're like, oh, this is great, I want to have this for 3 days, then you would remove this and then search for the spinach chickpea pasta salad, remove this and put the spinach chickpea pasta salad here. If you ever wanted these back, you could get them back because they're down here. Okay. But again, you don't remove something if you may want to use it in the future and it's the only place that it is. Okay, that's it. So there's a lot of options that you can do to make this more customed to you and your family when you have this interactive option. If you have any other questions, please reach out. I'm happy to answer them, and have a great day.